Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic bundle from Audiosavings that provides a comprehensive setup for anyone looking to get into accurate studio monitoring. This package includes a pair of JBL 305PMKII powered studio monitors, along with essential accessories like isolation pads and cables. The core of this bundle is the pair of JBL 305PMKII studio monitors. These are 5-inch powered speakers designed for accurate sound reproduction in a near-field environment. They utilize JBL's patented image control waveguide, which is engineered to provide incredibly detailed imaging and a wide, room-friendly sweet spot, making it easier to hear your mix accurately even if you move around slightly in your listening position. The transducers inside are next-generation designs from JBL, optimized for better transient response and improved linearity across the frequency spectrum. For the low end, there's a patented slipstream low-frequency port that helps deliver superior bass performance without port noise, even at higher playback levels. Powering these monitors are dual integrated Class D amplifiers, custom designed for the speakers, providing a total of 82 watts per monitor, 41 watts for the high-frequency driver and 41 watts for the low-frequency driver. This bi-amplified design ensures high output and dynamic range, allowing the monitors to reach a maximum peak SPL of 108 dB. Connectivity is handled via combination XLR and 1 4-inch TRS inputs. A really useful feature is the new boundary EQ settings on the back, which allow you to compensate for acoustic issues that can arise when placing monitors close to walls or corners, helping to fine-tune the bass response for your specific room. Looking at the specs, the frequency response is listed as 49 Hz to 20 kHz within plus or minus 3 dB, with a low-frequency extension down to 43 Hz at minus 10 dB. Beyond the monitors, the bundle includes essential accessories. You get a pair of Rockville RRS 190S foam isolation pads. These are high-density foam pads measuring 7.5 by 9.5 inches. Their purpose is crucial. They decouple the monitors from your desk or stands, eliminating vibrations that can color the sound and introduce unwanted noise, helping you hear a cleaner, more accurate representation of your audio. The pads also offer 3 different angle options, allowing you to tilt the monitors for optimal listening position relative to your ears. Also included are 2 Rockville RCXFM 20E Beat XLR cables. These are 20-foot female to male cables, essential for connecting the monitors to your audio interface or mixer. They feature nickel-plated REN connectors with internal strain relief for durability. The cables use 100% copper conductors and a 90% OFC spiral shield, designed to ensure clear signal transmission and reject electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, while remaining flexible. So, this Audiosavings bundle really provides a comprehensive package. You get a pair of highly regarded studio monitors known for their accuracy and features like the image control waveguide and boundary EQ, the necessary isolation pads to get the best sound from them by reducing unwanted vibrations, and the cables needed to hook them up reliably. It's essentially everything you need to start monitoring your audio accurately in a home studio setup, all included in one convenient purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.